Hi, my name is Serena and I'm the Medical Affairs Manager of Smart Respiratory. Today I'll show you how to use Smart Peak Flow device. First thing to do is download the app. The name of the app is Smart Asthma and is available on iOS and Android system. After that, you need to take your peak flow. The peak flow is coming with the mouthpiece. If your phone has an audio jack, you can plug the device directly to your phone, otherwise no worries because we provide the Bluetooth adapter. Once you press the button, it starts flashing and it will connect it to your phone. Remember, the first time you need to connect it manually, so open your settings, go on Bluetooth and you can see Smart Peak Flow listed in your Bluetooth devices. Make sure you use the device in a brighter room. You can also enable the flashlight on your phone. I'll show you how. Basically, you need to open the app. Once the device is connected, press start, and after a quick calibration, you need to blow 3 times. And you can enable the flash lighting, so you always make sure that you have the right amount of light. Now it's time to blow like this. The app will recording the best of the 3 and put in comparison with the personal best. Now you can press next. The second question is about the gravity of the symptoms. So you can select between 4 options: no symptoms, mild, moderate and severe symptoms. Press next, and then last question is about the inhaler use. So please select how many puffs for your MART or Smart inhaler you took today. Once you save the results, everything will stay in your phone and your phone becomes your own virtual diary. Now it's time to share your results with your respiratory team. In order to make sure that your respiratory team is always on top of your asthma condition, open the app, go on Profile, press Health Center, Data Sharing, and press Share. At this point in the clinic program, you can find your hospital, you can click and share the data with it. The hospitals are listed in alphabetical order, so find your hospital and share the data with your team. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact me. My email address is serena@smartrespiratory.com. Thanks for watching this video. Bye!